29 forecast.
Some lighter rain currently at the airport. We've had batches of showers and thunderstorms roll through. Yes, it was a hot and humid day before these storms set in. Made it up to 92 at the airport. Right now, 76 rain-cooled degrees. Winds out of the north and east. Of course, very humid. 73 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave with some light rain falling. And we'll take a look at a review over the last several hours. Of course, we had a lot of sunshine earlier in the day. The clouds kind of gathered this afternoon and not too far behind the development of showers and thunderstorms. Thankfully, not severe, but certainly producing very heavy rain, enough that prompted some flood warnings, which are still active. And it's just a piece of energy swinging through that'll still be with us tonight and during the day tomorrow. One of the strongest storms right now is just to the east of Louisa, out toward Lake Anna and down toward Cuckoo along Route 33. You could have some very heavy rain, some wind gusts in excess maybe of 30 miles an hour. Otherwise, we've got moderate rain back behind that. And then there are some storms that have worked their way along and east of Route 15 to the east of Palmyra down toward Arvonia and just north of Dillwyn. And then we've got some lighter rain from Harrisonburg down the 340 corridor toward Grottoes and Waynesboro. But because of the rain that's already fallen from earlier and some light rain moving back in, we still have an active flood warning for areas like Standardsville, Amicus, down toward Lydia, and Boonsville here in Albemarle. And then from Afton down Swannanoa, southern Waynesboro, portions of Wintergreen under a flood warning until 10:30. And some of these locations have seen in excess of 2.5, almost 3 inches of rain. There we are across northern Nelson. And then you can see from areas across northwestern Albemarle up into Greene County and Madison, areas that have seen 1.5 to over 2.5 inches of rain. Now for Friday, a flash flood watch blankets areas east of along the Blue Ridge and points east, and we could be looking at maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain. Of course, with this amount of moisture in the atmosphere and a disturbance coming through to add lift to get this going, we could certainly have rainfall rates easily of 1 to 2 inches per hour, similar to what we've seen for some locations here this afternoon. Temperatures overnight, upper 60s, lower 70s, ongoing showers and a few storms, some heavy rain. Tomorrow, temperatures will be held down. The clouds, the rain, northeasterly winds, upper 70s, low 80s. Best chance of rain will be in the morning hours. We move into the afternoon, more in the way of scattered thunder showers. Now, this weekend's a lot drier. It's still humid, drier in the sense that we shouldn't see widespread rain like we'll see tomorrow morning. But Saturday, an afternoon stray storm or two can't be ruled out. We're in the mid to upper 80s, near 90 here on Sunday. As we take a look at the tropics, first of all, Grace made landfall earlier today across the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, moving back out across the lower Gulf, and it will make a second landfall in Mexico later tomorrow and into Saturday. Meanwhile, Henri is about 450 miles south-southeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. So the big swells emanating from this, what will become a hurricane, will certainly cause dangerous rip currents throughout the next several days through the weekend along all the beaches. And this will make a run toward New England, which will certainly threaten that with rain and wind action, storm surge, and again, a forecast track that takes it right over Cape Cod currently. That's what's left of Tropical Storm Fred, now just a remnant low. This disturbance coming through, generating showers and storms for us not only today, but as we head through the overnight and into tomorrow morning, which should be the wettest period before we see some thunder showers as we head through the afternoon here on Friday afternoon. Saturday, as mentioned, looks a lot drier with the chance of rain going back down. Temperatures will be much warmer in the mid to upper 80s. So showers and storms tonight, some of that rain heavy, temperatures upper 60s, lower 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, a wet go of things later tonight and certainly tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon a few thunder showers around. A little drier in terms of rain chances here this weekend. Heat wave builds as we head into next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.